Hi, this is Tricia with Cincinnati Fit Body Boot Camp, and I've got another little exercise program for you this week. This is, once again, it's for vacation, it's for when you can't get to the gym, you're traveling, and you just want to do something. It's not basically a whole boot camp, but it will get that heart rate up, and you can do this within maybe 15-20 minutes. Now you want to keep the pace up. The first one is you're just going to do a side-to-side jump. So we're going, and this is about the pace. You're going to get 25 per side. And then your second one, we've got to work our legs a little bit more. You're going to do a close squat. Notice how my knees are not extending over my toes. Squat close, then step out, squat wide. Step close, step wide. This is considered 1. This would be considered 2. So you're going to get 10 of those. And then from there, we're going to work our obliques and our lats a little bit. You stand a little bit, double wide shoulders. Both hands down. We're going to punch up and over. Then we're going to punch up and over. So you want to go right about this speed. You also see I'm also kicking that hip out. So you're actually punching up and over your head. And this is the speed that you want to go. You're going to get 10 on each side. And then from there, what we're going to do is we're still working on our legs a little bit. We're going to take it to the side for a lunge. So if you've got good knees, and I hope you do, but because I won't show you this on my other side, you want to go to the side, nice deep lunge, bring it right back up, out to the side, bring it right back up. Now I will show you the other side because if you're like me, I've got a bad knee. So you don't have to go down quite so deep. I can only go about this deep on this side, but that's okay. That's all you need to go. But you do want to keep the speed up. So let's keep it up right about this much. Now from here, it's kind of hard to work your back when you don't have any dumbbells or bands. So you have to use isometrics. So what we're going to do, you stretch out, chest up, shoulders down, and you pull back as hard as you can, and you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades together for a 1-2 count. So I got 1, 2, stretch it out, 1, 2, stretch it out, 1, 2, and I mean really squeeze those shoulder blades as hard as you can. And our very last thing, to pump that heart rate up, you're going to do what's called a knee-high jog. Your hands are out here, lift those knees up. You got 25 a leg. Now if you do that circuit about 4 times, that'll be anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. Now, I also want to warn you, if you are a beginner, go slow. But if you've been exercising and you're just using this as an interval between your workouts at the gym, you go as quickly as you possibly can, do them 4 times straight, and you will get that heart rate up. Thanks again, and I'll see you next week.